Hello everyone, how are you? Now our first chapter is complete. Today I am going to revise, you can say, recalculation of chapter 1, that is changing trend in physical education. First of all, meaning of physical education. Physical education can be referred to an education which aim to develop personality through physical activity. Right? This is the main meaning of physical education. The second is first point definition of physical education. According to a Charles Butcher, physical education is an integral part of total education process and has its aim to develop the physical, mental, emotional, and socially fit citizenship through a medium of physical activity which has been selected with a few of to realize those outcomes. This is the definition of physical education. Now, what is the aim? The point is, what is the aim of physical education? The aim of physical education is the overall development of human personality so that he is able to withstand with the ups and downs of human life and became a respectable citizen of society. This is the main overall development of the child. The third point is objective of physical education. What is the objective of physical education? First of all, physical development, then neuromuscular coordination, emotional development, social development, and mental development. This is the main objective of physical education. Then, in physical education, career option in physical education. Now, we have so many points in this: teaching career in physical education, coaching career in physical education, health related career in physical education, administration career in physical education, performance related career in physical education as a player, as a official, as a recorder, career in communication media, sports journalism too, for a commentator, sports photography, book writing, book publishing, sports industries, sports marketing, teaching in career in physical education. Point one. Now we can do teaching in school, primary, middle, and higher level, coaching career in physical education, gym instruction coach, all that. Health related career in physical education, trainer, psychologist, physiotherapist, gym trainer, personal trainer, dietitian, or all that. Administration career in physical education, then performance related. Now, fifth point is competition in various sports at national level, like cricket, kabaddi, football, hockey, athletics, competition, Ranji Trophy, Indian National, Indian Prim, IPL, right? Kabaddi, Pro Kabaddi, that is PSL, football, Indian Super League, ISL, I League, Indian League, Hockey Indian League, Hill, the athletics national games, right? This is the main competition in various level. Next is various international level competition. Various international level competition, single sports, badminton, basketball, baseball, boxing, hockey, cricket, football, table tennis, triathlon, volleyball, weightlifting, multi-sports competition, Summer Olympic, Winter Olympic, Paralympic, Commonwealth Games, Youth Olympic, competition, Badminton World Championship, World Basketball Championship, Basketball Cup, Boxing World Championship, ICC World Championship, 2020 World Cup, FIFA World Cup, hockey, football, table tennis World Championship, World Triathlon Series, Volleyball Championship, or all that. Then Khelo India program. The Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs introduced the Khelo India program in the year of 2017. Aim to be inspired the young talent of the country to participate in sports activity. Focus on nutrition, raw talent, promoting mass participation, connecting rural India to global game to provide financial assessment of rupees 5 lakh rupees per annum for 8 years to talented player from various sports disciplines. Structure of Khelo India program is playfield development, communication coaching development, state level Khelo India centers annual sports competition, talent search and development, utilization of creation, upgradation of sports infrastructure, sports of national, region, state sports academies, physical fitness of school going children, sports for women, promotion of sports among personnel with disabilities, sports for peace and development, promotion of rural area. This is the